Hello, my name is Akhtar Khan. My topic is 1.2 and 1.1 and 1.2. Group 317. Topic first 1.1. The place of biophysics in nature science. Biophysics is a multidisciplinary field that merge principle and method from the physics and biophysics, chemistry and mathematics to understanding biological system. Its significance in the nature of science can be detailed through the several key aspects. First, understanding biological process. Molecular interaction. Biophysics help elucidate how molecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, lipid interaction at a molecular level. Technique like X-ray crystallography and MRI spectroscopy are used to determine structure and dynamic of these molecules. Molecule of action. It provides sign into the mechanism of enzyme action, signal and transduction pathway and other cellular process by applying thermodynamic and kinetics. Second, interaction of discipline. Biophysics serve as a bridge between biology and physical science, fostering collaboration among chemists, physiologists, biologists, and energy. This interaction and lead to involve the field such as biofarming and system biology and systematic biology. Third, quantitative analysis. Biophysics and develop mathematical mode to describe complex biological phenomena, enabling prediction about system behavior under various conditions. Fourth, application in medicine. Medical imaging technique like MRI and PET scans are based on biophysical principle, allowing for non-invasive image of biological tissue and aiding of diagnosis. Conclusion. Biophysics occupied an vital place in the nature science by providing essential tools and framework for understanding complex biological systems. It interdiscipline nature and only enhance scientific knowledge but also drive technological advancement that have profound implication of medicine, environment, science, and beyond as research continue to involve the role of biophysics. Second topic, biology and physics. Role of biology and physics. First, principle of mechanism. Molecular motion physics help explain how molecules move and interact. Concepts such as Brownian motion describe the random movement of particles in a fluid, which is crucial of understanding diffusion process in cell. Force and energy. Force and energy mechanical principles are applied to study force acting non-biomolecule such as tension in DNA during replication or protein folding dynamic. Second, thermodynamic energy transfer. Energy transfer, the law of thermodynamic govern energy transformation in biological system. Biophysics used to these principles to understanding metabolic pathway and energy production in cell. Third, statistical mechanism, popular behavior, statistical mechanism, anesthesia, and provides tools that analyze large embodiments of molecule, allowing for prediction about the behavior of biological system based on molecular property. Fourth, electromagnetic ion channel physics principle explain the behavior of charge particle across the membrane, creators for understanding nerve impulse and muscles contraction. Fifth, quantum mechanism photosynthesis quantum mechanism play as a role in understanding energy transfer process in photosynthesis where exotonic state and facultative efficiency energy capacitor. 6. Mathematical folding and dynamic system mathematical models are used to describe dynamic biological system such as a population and dynamic or the spread of disease. Biomolecule structure protein structure understanding the three-dimensional structure of protein is essential for it allocated and their function of technique like X-ray crystallography and cryo-electron microscope are used to visual these structure. Second, cellular biology nucleic acid the study of DNA and RNA structure including other folding and interacting with protein and fundamental to understanding genetic information storage and express. Third, physiology organ system biophysics applied physical principle to understanding how organ system function such as a fold follow dynamic in the cardiovascular system and respiratory mechanism. Fourth, genetic system DNA application or repair the physical base to of how DNA is replicated and repair involve understanding molecular interaction of force and play. Conclusion, the interplay between physics and biology in biophysics how for a comparison understanding of the living system at multiple scale from molecular interaction to whole organism. Physiology by the learning the strength of both discipline biophysics address complex biological question and biotechnology and environment science. Thank you.